Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word to edit your document quickly. Let's get started. In the Home tab, look for the Editing group on the right side and click on Find. You can also open it by clicking CTRL plus F button. Type in the word or phrase you want to find. Word will highlight all instances of it in your document. To replace it, click on the small arrow next to Find and select Replace. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus H button to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the dialog box, type what you want to replace in the Replace with field. Click Replace to change one instance at a time, or click Replace All to update every occurrence instantly. Double-check your changes to make sure everything looks correct. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.